y'all. Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy here with another Monday educational moment. Today I'm going to talk about competition. So a few months ago I was asked, I told somebody I worked for Results Physiotherapy and was telling some of the great things we had to offer as far as a quality clinical product and really helping people get better faster than some of your traditional physical therapists. And she asked, who's your biggest competition? And I said, I don't have any competition. My response was because the product we offer is different. We're a lot more skilled. We're very, very manual therapy focused. We go to a lot more classes than your average physical therapist. But the main reason my response was I don't have any competition was the fact that if there's other physical therapists out there providing quality physical therapy, getting to know their patients and helping them live better and do better and move better, they're not my competition. They're my ally. They are on the same team as me, and there are a recent survey done by WebPT showed that there are 85% of people out there that could benefit from physical therapy who aren't getting it. So we're only reaching 15% of the market. So there's plenty of people out there. That's why I do these videos. There are people out there that could benefit from physical therapy, from movement practice, from getting started moving and doing better and living better and being more well. So I know that if there's other practitioners out there with this same message, whether it be doctors or chiropractors or even some orthopedic surgeons who are helping patients to move better and be better and stay active longer, they're not my competition. They are on the same team as me, and I encourage you to find someone to help you have a better movement practice if you are struggling in this area. I attended a conference on Friday, and a big overarching theme was, as women, we need to take care of ourselves. We need to have mental breaks and have mental escapes, and we're always taking care of other people and mothering, but we never take care of ourselves. So I encourage you today to see one of these practitioners, whether it be a physical therapist or your primary care doctor, and if you have barriers to movement, get out there and just get moving and see how you do, and come see a physical therapist if you struggle in this area. Y'all have a good Monday. Bye.